seatbelt? Check. I couldn't reach it, so I tied it to the back tire. Oh, good.
Let's do this.
What's up, money? What you looking at my ass for? Hey, yo, what's up? Y'all got a problem? You want some of this punk? What, boy, what? You are a girl.
Damn, sure like to cut that cake.
Hey, yo, you trying to look at my lumps?
Hannah Montana's dead. Goodbye, all my fans. Keep rocking.
She is a national treasure!
And be sure to tune in to my Summer in Montana concert.
I waited in line for 2 days for these tickets.